Hi, Susan Dreyfus here, President and CEO of the Alliance for Children and Families. Wishing you all a great day, but wanting to make sure we're inviting you to that annual Executive Leadership Conference, May 14th through 17th in Nashville, Tennessee. You've come to know this to be a very unique offering. We actually limit attendance to the number of CEOs that are able to participate because we want to make sure you have the deepest experience of networking that you need as you lead your organizations into the future. This year is going to be a really great lineup. I'm really proud of the team and what they put together and with the conference committee in planning for this year's Executive Leadership Conference. A few of those unique offerings I want to share with you. First of all, you're going to have a full day embraced in looking at innovation. We all know that on our Disruptive Forces report, we talked about purposeful experimentation, being in beta testing all the time. And yet, how do you do that? How do you do that? Well, we have the awesome opportunity to have Eureka Ranch. They are an organization that does deep consultation work with Fortune 500 companies, Walt Disney, Procter & Gamble, Nike. And basically what they're going to do is give you a workshop, a full-day workshop on how to drive innovation into the DNA of your organization. It doesn't just happen by chance. It happens by design. And you're going to have the opportunity to hear from Ellen Katz at the Cincinnati Children's Home to talk about how with her work with Eureka Ranch, she has brought innovation to life in her organization in Cincinnati, Ohio. The next day, you're going to take a deep dive. You're going to do a deep dive at Martha O'Brien Center. I've had the privilege of actually going to the Martha O'Brien Center, and you're going to love it. We all know that to get to the kind of outcomes that we are now being asked to get to, looking at issues of poverty, looking at how to help improve people's health, looking at what it's going to take to not just provide services, but to truly improve the places where people live and where people work. The Martha O'Brien Center is a wonderful example of the settlement house movement tradition and approaches, and how that alignment with so many of our other organizations within community is truly making a lasting difference in the lives of children and families in the neighborhood area that they serve. You're really going to enjoy your time at the Martha O'Brien Center. And then I have my dear friend, Raquel Hatter. She is the Secretary of Human Services in the state of Tennessee. She and I have known each other a long time. Neat thing about Raquel, she's a former member of the Alliance for Children and Families. She was the CEO over in Flint, Michigan of one of our family services agencies years ago. Raquel has agreed to come and sit down with y'all and have a candid conversation about what's going on in our state governments across this land, but also to give you a good view of an opportunity to talk directly with the Secretary in the public sector about what she sees and what she's experiencing and what that might mean to you as you all head back home to continue to lead your organizations and partner with your government partners. And then we're also going to do a Trends Cafe. This is our opportunity to give you a unique networking opportunity with each other to talk about the trends, the issues that you're experiencing and seeing in your daily work. But it also helps us. It helps us as your national organization to know what those trends and issues are and to constantly be then reevaluating ourselves to make sure that whether it's that networking that we provide, whether it's the solutions we provide, or whether it's the knowledge that we are providing you, we're giving you what you need when you need it. And as always, at the Alliance for Children and Families, priding ourselves on helping you see around that next corner. So I'll see you May 14th through 17th in good old Nashville, Tennessee for the Executive Leadership Conference. Take care.